Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is HubSpot and the second one is Zendesk, and in particular Zendesk Sell. So we will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about both of these CRM programs, and then we'll try to find out, even according to pricing plans, which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start with HubSpot. Forever free customer relationship management software that provides solution to all your CRM needs. HubSpot automates the tasks for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts, users and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in personalized sequence, which is delivered as per the schedule you set. Get notified whenever any lead opens your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. So as you can see, HubSpot is really reliable, or really relies on integrations. So you have to be prepared for that. Also, they are providing 24/7 help center during business hours, and also online all the time. It's meant for small, medium and large businesses, so basically for everyone. Also, they are compatible with Android and iOS as well. Software-wise, they're trying to diversify their portfolio into 5 main buckets. First one is Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub. With the pricing, they are offering a free tool, which is basically trial with limited features. That's, I would say, the main problem with HubSpot. It's they're really providing just the minimal features that you can try HubSpot on. Then there is a marketing option, sales, customer, CMS, and operations. Basically everything you will need to make to pinpoint how to make your CRM better. Then there are bundles, which includes basically everything. CRM, or create a bundle if you are a bigger company or enterprise. And you can just check it out if you want to be paid upfront, stuff like that. Now you have everything, little bit of everything from every bundle, which can also be very nice. But let's talk about the Zendesk. Zendesk, in particular, Sell part, is a Salesforce automation software to make better decisions in sales. It is simple, user-friendly, and designed to help sales reps to keep selling. Focused on increasingly productivity, the software gives a quick access to relevant deal data to facilitate ease of analysis collaboration. Data capture is automatic, and therefore agents and sales reps can always stay on the same page when handling customer accounts. It streamlines the building and management of sales pipelines so that the reps can prioritize prospects and customers. The greatest USP of the software is enabling users to send emails, make calls, and view dealer history, and schedule meeting in a few clicks. Smart List is another fantastic feature that allows for the segmentation and filtering of deals and leads in real time. Businesses can integrate their everyday tools with the platform, or create their own Zendesk apps to be used exclusively. Also, we are talking a bit about integrations with, for example, Zapier Automate. We covered that part in other videos about integrations between Zendesk and HubSpot. So you can go and check that out, or I'll leave it in the comments, or I'll leave it underneath this video. So as you can see, straight away, they are providing free trial with full features, and then sell team, sell professional, or enterprise. Obviously, you have to figure it out which one is the best option for you, but with this package, they are pretty much very close with the starter of HubSpot. Then for service, it's pretty much the same, but for service it's a little bit more expensive. But what I love, or what I would like to start or to end with, it's HubSpot way of integrations. So if you like some parts of some features of Zendesk, you can still integrate them through Zapier with HubSpot. So you can buy this package. So you can use this package to and integrate it with the best features of Zendesk, and that you should achieve the best outcome that you can possibly get. If you have any more questions, please leave them under our YouTube window or YouTube video. I'll try to provide the links for you, and if you like the video, please press like or subscribe. So thanks for watching, and see you in another video. Goodbye.